Can I see pictures? Yeah, let's go. Guys, we're just like in the airport. We're just done waiting. And I'm gonna get like a lot of glasses. Yeah, we're gonna get 4 sleeves. We're gonna be rock stars. We're gonna be rock stars.
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Welcome to our YouTube video. So we're at each people what?
Yeah,
Each person. Yeah, so we're going to show. Yeah. We're in Italy basically.
We went,
Not to mention
we're in
that.
Italy. We went to the supermarket and we had the idea of basically picking out a random item each, and yeah, here we are.
Yeah. So who wants to go first? I'll go first. I got this. Hi, I'm Lisa, and I got a Haribo
Marshmallows.
marshmallow. So what did you get there? Like, never explained it.
Why did you
Because they're nice and delicious and squishy, like oh, and the pink. And I kind of ate one of it.
Let me try that.
Yeah, go on. Go and have some, guys.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not happy.
Okay, hang on. It's too sweet. Say nice for it. I got diamonds.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Just like regular marshmallow. I'm gonna have to say that. Because I can't do that. It's too sweet.
I agree, but it's expensive to make everyone's choice, but like,
Do you wanna go? Hi, my name's Renee. I brought the. I'm not even pronounce it. But I brought the pistachio cookies, biscuits, whatever you want to call it. Because pistachio is so crazy.
And it's
I'm all for it. I love it. So let's try like the divide chocolate.
yeah, exactly. No, it's I had to buy chocolate.
I had to buy chocolate, that one goes off. So I
Yeah,
don't
I
know.
also
I don't
sweet.
know. I can't have it.
I had to drink water every time I was eating. I was like,
Same.
oh,
No, the one we had was with brownies and stuff. So sweet. It has to be. But yeah, guys, stop.
Take it.
Let's give it what?
Thank you.
No, okay. It's not squishy. It's very.
It's like a biscuit.
Yeah.
It's pistachio biscuit.
Yeah.
Keep it over.
Yeah.
It tastes like fucking.
I don't know. I don't know.
Got popcorn. Wait, I got popcorn and pistachio. What's it? Pistachio eggs.
Yeah.
We'll try popcorn first.
Yeah.
Ooh. So we'll try popcorn first because it's like
She loves
basic.
pistachio like as well.
Like pistachio like
I
super
can see the little ones, but we were like, no, let's try these.
Yeah.
Popcorn.
I love popcorn. It's so nice and healthy. Yummy.
They like regular fucking popcorn.
Let's try them.
This is how they look like.
They're nice to me. I can buy it.
They're nice. It's nice. Ooh.
No, they're not. Let's taste them.
Wait, to taste the pistachio more. We have some drink over there. Big one queen.
There's some fillings, darling.
Okay, my name's Ash and I got Kinder Biscuits. Biscuits? Cake, sorry. Do you want to try this that? It's cake strip. Oh, that's disgusting.
Let's see the
I'm going to try it. I'm
Yeah,
going to try it.
yeah, share one.
Add sugar water. You did it. I was like,
Yeah, take a bunch of it.
It's not open.
Let's go out.
Yeah, please.
Can
Come
I
on.
try anything?
I like it still. I'm gonna go out like the color.
but open
Yeah.
up.
Like, but I like it. I
I
like it.
like it.
I like it. I like
Look
that.
at it. It's yours.
I like this. I think my marshmallow is this.
Oh, we're not ready, like,
Not too bad though. Like cheese in there.
Yes.
okay, name is corn shop.
Yeah, what's it?
People don't know what I'm
I need water.
I
I
like it.
have a big fan. I like to see that water. We'll get water. Yeah, guys, that's how we do for our thing for today, and I hope you guys enjoy this again. Sorry, this is a very boring video.
Like, the things-
You draw, you need your own YouTube channel. People actually watch you.
I know she will. She's a
I don't know.
sweet